It's easy to upcycle a pillow cover from a shirt. All you need is a square pillow form or an old square pillow, a large button-down shirt, and the necessary sewing tools. Make sure to get them all ready before you start. Measure the pillow you want to cover. A square shape works best for this project. Add 1 inch to your measurements and cut through both layers of fabric. Place fabric squares right sides together. Remember, the bright side is the right side. Pin fabric together and draw 1/2 inch seam allowances with your colored pencil and ruler. Sew your seam allowances around all 4 sides. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end to lock your stitches. When you get to a corner, put the needle down into the fabric, lift the presser foot, and turn the fabric. Remember to put the presser foot back down before sewing again. Cut a little triangle from each corner. Be careful not to cut through the stitching. This helps your corners not to look lumpy. Remove the pins. Unbutton the shirt front. Turn the cover right side out and poke the corners out using your fingers and something like a chopstick. Add your pillow form and you're ready to redecorate.